Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you assignment problem. This is my second class. So the question is, a departmental head has 4 subordinates and 4 tasks has to be performed. Subordinates differ in efficiency and the tasks differ in the intrinsic difficulty. Time each man would take to perform each task is given in the effective matrix below. How should the task be allowed one to a man so as to minimize the total man hour? Here subordinates first, second, third, fourth. Task A, B, C, D is given. So now let us solve the problem. Now solution. Step 1. Let us subtract smallest element of each row from every element of that row. Let us subtract smallest element of each row from every element of that row. So we get the reduced matrix like this. Here the minimum element in the first row is 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Now 26 minus 8 is 18. 17 minus 8 is 9. Then 11 minus 8 is 3. In the second row we are having 4 as minimum element. 13 minus 4 is 9. 28 minus 4 is 24. And here it is 4 minus 4 0. 26 minus 4 is 22. In the third row the minimum element is 18. Now 38 minus 18 20. 19 minus 18 1. 18 minus 18 0. 25 minus 18 7. Now 10 is the minimum element in the fourth row. Now 19 minus 10 9. Here 26 minus 10 16. 24 minus 10 14. And here it is 0. So we have subtracted smallest element of each row from every element of that row and we get the reduced matrix. Next, step 2. Let us subtract smallest element of every column from smallest element of each column from every element of that column. Here it is, we get that column, we get. Here the first column, minimum element is 0, so there will be no change at all. Here it is 0, 9, 20, here it is 9. In the second column, 1 is the minimum element. So subtracting 1 from each element, every element. Now subtracting 1 from every element we get, here it is 17, this is 23, 0 and this is 15. Now the third column contains zeros, so there will be no change. 9, 0, 0, this is 14. Here the fourth column also contains 0, so there will be no change. Here it will be 0, 22, 7 and this is 0. So we get the reduced matrix after subtracting smallest element of each column from every element of that column. So this is the reduced matrix after the end of second step. So now let us have single zero assignment row wise, then column wise. So step third. So let us have single zero assignment first row wise, then column wise. Now we have 0, 17, 9, 3, 9, 23, 0, 22, then 20, 0, 0, 7, 9, 15, 14, 0. Single zero assignment row wise. So we are having a single zero in the first row. So let us have a assignment here in this way. So we have to keep it in a square box. If we find any element in that column, we have to cross it. But there is no zero in the first column. Now in the second row, we are having single zero. So we will have an assignment here. So immediately we have to cross this element, because in this row, in the second row, we are having a single zero. So when we will have an assignment in the third column, so here is a 0, so we have to cross it. Now in the third row, we are having here a single 0, so we can have a assignment here. Now in the fourth row, we are having a single 0 assignment. So we get complete or optimal 0 assignment, and no 0 is left. So we get here an optimal assignment. All the zeros available here, either assigned or crossed. So we have a 0 assignment in the first row, second row, third row and fourth row. We are also having 0 assignment in each column. So we have a complete optimal assignment as in each row and in each column we have an assignment. Hence, the optimal assignment is, here it is A, B, C, D. First, second, third, and a fourth. Hence, the optimal assignment is A is first, B with the third. Here, task A is assigned to subordinate first, task B is assigned to subordinate third, task C is assigned to subordinate second, and task D is assigned to subordinate 4. Then the required minimum man-hour is equals to, from the first table on comparison we get 8 plus 4 plus 19 plus 10 is equal to 41. So here the question is given and we have to solve this problem so that the task is to be distributed among the subordinates properly so that we'll get minimum man-hour. So after solution we get task A is assigned to subordinate first, task B is subordinate third, task C is to be assigned with the subordinate second, and task D with the subordinate 4. And the total man hours is equal to 41 answer. So with this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.